I'm Diane Mallstrom. I'm a reference librarian in genealogy and local history of the Public Library of Cincinnati and Hamilton County. I'd like to introduce you to a new series of Rare Books Talks. We'll start off the series with an introduction to the Audubon Treasures. These books are available through the Cincinnati room, but they've been digitized so you can access them from the digital library. To start off this series, I wanted to introduce you to our Audubon Treasures. Many of you may know that we have a complete set of John James Audubon's Birds of America. Audubon lived in Cincinnati for about a year in 1819 to 1820. He worked as a taxidermist for the newly founded Western Museum Society. He soon left and went exploring, determined to document the birds of America. In 1826, he went to Europe to find a patron and publisher for his life-size watercolor paintings. An engraver in London, Robert Havell, undertook the project of printing 435 plates that were sold by subscription from 1827 to 1838. These hand-colored prints were bound by the subscribers. It is believed that only 200 sets were published. Our set originally belonged to Dr. Thomas Edmondson of Baltimore, Maryland. We purchased it in 1870 from Joseph Longworth, the son of Cincinnati millionaire Nicholas Longworth. The director of the library at that time was Frederick Poole. It is rumored that he almost lost his job due to spending $1,000 on one book. Now it is the most valuable book the library owns. I would like to feature a few of the plates. Plate number 1 is the wild turkey. It is one of the largest birds featured in the book. It was highly prized for food during Audubon's time. The males are called gobblers and search for food separately from females. They eat seeds and berries, and they migrate in October. They mate in February and lay eggs in April, approximately 10 to 15 eggs. Another plate featured is the Caroline parrot, or parakeet, a small type of parrot, plate 26. They are feeding on a cocklebur plant. They eat grain and fruits. They fly fast and straight. They nested in hollow trees. They are now extinct. Another plate I would like to feature is the American flamingo, plate 431. On May 7, 1832, Audubon noted in his diary that while sailing along the southeast coast of Florida, he saw his first flock of flamingos. They build their nests upon the ground near salt ponds or lagoons surrounded by water, and nearly always lay 2 eggs. They hatch about the end of May. They are born nearly white and do not turn scarlet until 2 years old. The last plate I would like to feature is the Roseate Spoonbill, plate 321. They are found in coastal Florida, Texas, and southwest Louisiana in small flocks. They are marsh lagoon birds, feeding in shallow waters. It is considered a priority bird, which means by saving these birds, we will save similar birds of the same habitat. They nest in dry season and usually lay about 3 eggs. For more information on your favorite birds, visit the link below. Another Audubon treasure is the Viviparous Quadrupeds of North America. That means live birth, 4-footed. This work was done by John James Audubon and his son, John Woodhouse. These hand-colored images were printed by J.T. Bowen of Philadelphia from 1845 to 1848 in 30 parts, 150 plates in all, each part containing 5 plates. It was completed by John James Audubon's son after Audubon's health declined. It was sold to 300 subscribers. The text was provided by naturalist and clergyman John Bachman. I would like to feature 2 plates from this volume. American Black Bear, Plate 141. Found in forests of North America, they are about 5 to 6 feet in length and weigh between 200 and 600 pounds. Males can be up to 70% heavier than females. They are classed as carnivorous, but also eat fruit, acorns, pine cones, roots, ants, and honey. They hibernate in the winter. They are mostly solitary, and breeding season is from June to July. Fertilization is delayed, occurring in November or December, and cubs are born in January or February. Another plate I'd like to feature is the chipping squirrel, Plate 8, commonly known as chipmunk, a small striped rodent found in North America and live an average of 3 years. They are the smallest members of the squirrel family. There are 25 species of chipmunks according to the National Geographic. They also hibernate, and babies are born in late spring and nest up to 6 weeks. For more information on these animals, visit the link below. Thank you for joining me. For more information, visit our digital library. Thank you.